So it's about 12 hours later from that first video where I was parking my car here. And it's getting dark. It's very gray. There is no one around. I see a cop car, a couple cop cars around. And this is just a little north of downtown Houston. Very little activity. Here's the street that I said would probably flood. I'm guessing it will. I have no idea. I might just be asking for trouble with my car in this little side street, and that's of course the train tracks at the end of the street. But we'll have to see what happens. Really gray. Really gray. Clouds are rolling in. The wind is kind of coming and going. But I will keep you guys posted.